Okay, so we have this character with its material. Specular is set to 2, and we don't want that. And roughness is set to 0. And that's gonna make everything too shiny. So what I'm gonna do is make sure that I have all the objects selected in my crowd, change all the materials for all the selected crowd actors. And we want the specular to be 0.5, and we want roughness to be about 0.7. We can't just select this and change one material. It won't reflect it for all the actors. So we need to run a script. In this case, I'm using Microsoft Copilot, which comes free with Windows 11. So I'm going to give it instructions to write me a script for Blender Octane. Provide me a Blender Octane script to change the specular value and the roughness value of a universal material for all selected objects. We'll hit enter. And now it has generated me this script here. Copy it. Then we're going to go to the scripting tab, create a new one, and we're going to paste in that script that was generated. So we were saying that we want the specular value to be 0.5 and we want the roughness to be 0.7. That is adjusted. We're going to hit run, and now we're going to go back to our layout, and you can see that specular has been changed to 0.5 and roughness has been changed to 0.7. Now let's select different actor materials just to make sure that it has been changed all around. And yes, it has been changed. Let's try this character here, and yes, it has been changed.